What if I told you that the future of camping isn't made from aluminum or fiberglass, but from wood? It sounds impossible at first, but this incredible 2026 wooden RV concept is changing the way people imagine life on the road. With its stunning handcrafted exterior, eco-friendly design, and cozy cabin-inspired interior, this might be one of the most beautiful RV concepts we've ever seen. So stay with me until the end, because this futuristic camper has a few surprises that you definitely don't want to miss. The first thing that grabs your attention is the natural wooden body. Instead of the cold, industrial look found on most modern campers, this RV feels warm, welcoming, and timeless. Every curve blends rustic craftsmanship with futuristic styling, making it look like a luxury cabin that somehow learned how to drive. Whether it's parked beside a peaceful lake, deep inside a forest, or overlooking a mountain range, this RV looks perfectly at home. But don't let the wooden finish fool you into thinking it's old-fashioned. Beneath its elegant exterior lies a modern concept designed for today's travelers. Lightweight engineered wood panels, reinforced framing, and weather-resistant finishes make the structure both durable and practical. The idea is to combine nature's beauty with cutting-edge engineering, creating a camper that's as functional as it is eye-catching. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more impressive. The interior feels more like a luxury mountain lodge than a traditional RV. Rich wooden walls, soft ambient lighting, comfortable seating, and panoramic windows create a relaxing atmosphere that's hard to leave. Every inch of space is carefully designed to maximize comfort while maintaining an open and spacious feel. The kitchen is compact but packed with smart storage solutions, modern appliances, and elegant finishes. Whether you're preparing breakfast before a hike or cooking dinner under the stars, everything you need is within easy reach. Fold-away counters and hidden compartments help make the most of every square inch. The sleeping area continues the cozy cabin theme with a comfortable bed surrounded by natural textures and warm lighting. Large windows let you wake up to breathtaking views every morning, whether you're surrounded by towering pine trees or parked beside a peaceful river. It transforms every destination into a five-star hotel room with a constantly changing view. Of course, modern travelers expect more than just beautiful interiors. That's why this concept also imagines advanced technology working behind the scenes. Solar panels integrated into the roof could provide clean energy throughout the day, while efficient battery systems could power lighting, appliances, and entertainment without relying on noisy generators. Smart climate control, wireless charging, touchscreen controls, and intelligent energy management would make every journey more comfortable and sustainable. Storage is another highlight. Clever hidden compartments, overhead cabinets, and multifunctional furniture allow travelers to pack everything they need without sacrificing living space. Every piece of furniture serves multiple purposes, making this compact RV feel much larger than its actual size. Now imagine taking this wooden RV on your dream adventure. Picture winding roads through colorful autumn forests, quiet mornings beside crystal-clear lakes, snowy mountain escapes, or peaceful nights under a sky filled with stars. Instead of simply traveling, you're fully immersed in nature while enjoying all the comforts of home. That's the magic this concept promises. While this 2026 wooden RV remains a futuristic concept for now, it reflects a growing movement towards sustainable travel, natural materials, and thoughtful design. As more people seek environmentally friendly ways to explore the world, concepts like this could inspire the next generation of campers. It proves that innovation doesn't always mean adding more technology. It can also mean reconnecting with nature in beautiful new ways. So here's the big question. If this wooden RV became available tomorrow, would you choose it over a traditional camper? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear whether you take this stunning wooden home on wheels on your next adventure. And if you enjoyed exploring this incredible concept with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next look at the world's most amazing future RVs, campers, and adventure vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.